Wagwan people, Wagwan T-Sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we are looking into the person on your mind, okay? What does he think of me, okay? As part of these collective tarots. So grab your juice, grab your snacks because we're going to get into guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. Welcome, welcome, welcome to T-Sippers, yeah. So I hope you've got some snacks and some juice or some tea ready, okay, as we look into the person on your mind, okay, and what does he think of me? All right, so we are starting with these like late night thoughts that they may have. Let's have a look and see. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Ooh, let's have a look and see what wants to come out. Ooh, we have here. Oy, 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 oy. The last time I saw them smile, it was as if the world was suddenly a brighter place. Woo! Ooh, wee. Okay, what else do they want you to know? We have their there's something about your outfit. Let us know that just let's just have a little let's just have a little think. Okay, let your intuition guide you because we've got their outfit accentuates their attractive features in all the right ways, leaving me in trance. Do you remember or recall or observe, perhaps, like maybe giving you a compliment, saying, oh yeah, you should wear this color more often, because it's giving me, we're gonna have a look and see with the color cards. Okay, let's see what colors, okay, when they think of you, when you're wearing your outfit, what colors come to mind? Ooh la la, what colors come to mind? Okay, and what does he think of me? Ooh, let's have a look. We have brilliance. Ooh, oy, 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 oy. So perhaps was wearing something like a brilliant white, okay? But I feel like it could have made you look very, I'm getting the message, angelic, very, I'm getting like the Empress, just the energy of the Empress, okay? I feel like it was making you, it was making them really attracted to you, okay? Let's see what else wanted to come out. Okay. Or when they see you, that's it, that's what comes to mind. We also have brown. It's brown. So we have established boundaries here, but we're looking just at the color, and I feel like it could be they sense this earthy connection with you. Now, if we are going to look at the established the boundaries, perhaps that could be something that I feel like it's also because we're exploring the late night. This could be something again in their hidden thoughts, their hidden feelings on trying to not give too much away. Okay, let's see what else wants to come out. Any other colors? Oh, yes. Look at this. We have Magneta. So this is kind of like this energy of like, oh, very passionate. Okay, I'm getting the energy of very romantic, very feminine. Okay, and they see this when they see you. Okay, and we have as well Peach. Okay, inhale a breath of life. Yes, look at this. I'm getting with the peach very sensual, like like aromatherapy smells, kind of, or scents. Okay, comes to mind. Okay, Again, a lot of the colors you see in the Empress card on the Rider-Waite-Smith tarot deck, okay? So I feel like they do see you as an Empress. Look at this. They have this energy of seeing you as this radiant, lots of radiant, vibrant, earthy colors. You know, I'm getting the messages like there could be this energy of like making someone feel grounded as well. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Ooh, something just fell right. So I feel like they wanted to fall straight to you. So let's have a look and see. Okay, what else wants to come out when they think of you? What else wants to pop through? So we have their laughter. Their laughter in bed is like a carousel of joy where love is the only language spoken. Now, this it could be, you know, how I feel like this could just be how they feel. Okay, this could just be how they feel. You know, if that hasn't happened, that could just be like how they're feeling. Ooh la la. Right, so let's see. We have I'm mesmerized by the cute the by the curve of their body. Ay, 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 ay. I'm mesmerized by the curve of their body, a work of art I can't resist. So there's a strong energy of attraction. They're very drawn to you. Okay, we have in their arms I find refuge from the world, a place where love is the only language spoken. So I feel like I feel like there's a strong intuitive connection here with this person. They're drawn to you. They see a lot of colors when they think of you. Okay, let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverb wants you to know about, you know, this person and what he thinks of me. So this person on your mind, what does he think of me? Okay, is this the one that wants to come out? Okay, we have cockroach have no business in a foul fight. Okay, let's say in the Jamaican way, Jamaican style. Cockroach have no business in a foul fight. Okay, have no business. So this is the energy of don't get involved in things that you don't concern you. You mind your business. Yes, honey. Yes, darling. Okay. I feel like this is the message of how they feel. Like you're just about your business. Okay. You're just about your P's and Q's. You're just about doing you. You're just about like just I'm getting the energy of like getting the bag, working on you, okay, being booked and busy. This is the energy, okay? And I feel like they really admire it, this energy about you. They're drawn to this energy, they're attracted to this energy. Okay, if we go back to what we like when I said, oh, something's fallen, they're falling for you. I feel like there's a strong energy of I'm falling for you. And I'm trying to contain those feelings, but I have fallen for you. Okay, let's see what else wants to come through. Okay, through their late night thoughts. Let's have a look, or like their hidden feelings. Let's have a look and see what else. Ooh, wee! Look at this. We have their body perfectly fits against mine, as if we were made for each other. Let's peel off the wallpaper. So let's peel off the wallpaper was like it was like a kind of like a joke that would commonly be heard amongst people who were into lovers rock music. Okay, so it could be like lovers rock music, like slow romantic like reggae music, and the idea is that lovers will like or couples will kind of like dance and sway close to the wall, but as they go closer to the wall, it will start to kind of peel the wallpaper because they're making really slow like dance movements, very like very sensual, very intimate. Okay, Ooh la la. So I'm getting the energy of like this person wants to sway with you, like slowly, okay? Just sway. Ooh la la. And we have their whispers, their whispered promises of love and devotion echoes in my heart. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, we have their laughter. There's a strong energy of like seeing you together with them. Like there's a strong energy of seeing you together, or this could be, or they're still kind of reminiscing on those memories of like having conversations with the two of you like together. Okay, because their laughter in bed is like a symphony of love, of joy, bringing us closer together. Okay. Ooh la la. So we're going to have a look now at some additional clues to help you know who this person is. Okay, let's look at this deck where there's messages on their physical characteristics, hobbies, and interests, things that they may like enjoy doing, things that they may like, messages from their higher self and the divine masculine. Let's see, because we can already see things are already trying to pop out. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective. Oh, we have curly hair. We've got curly hair. Okay, so you could have curly hair, or this person may have curly hair. Okay, we have outdoor adventurer. Outdoor adventurer. Oi, 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 oi. We have I wish I could express how much you mean to me. They wish they could express that. We have sports enthusiasts. Let's see what else they want you to know. Oh, we have nature lover. Your strength and resilience inspires me to be stronger and invite growth in my life. Okay. Oh, wait. So again, I'm getting this energy of like they see you might be seeing freeze, 30 freeze, or like just like free. But I feel like that could be a sign that like this person is. It's like how they see you, how they view you, is that they see you as this person who's very wholesome. Okay, I feel like it's a nurturing energy, but it's an energy that challenges them, to inspire them in a good way. But I feel like it's also they're very drawn to this, very drawn to your energy. And the message I'm getting is look at that free. Okay, look at the vibrance of the free, and that's you. Ooh, look at this. We have they could be very ambitious driven, or they could have been conversations. Okay, and I feel like this is also part of their energy of growth, wanting to do better, be better. We've got social and outgoing parties and gatherings. That could be something where you may have known them from somewhere. Okay, there could have been talks or conversations about a gathering of some sort. Okay, and we have here, you challenged me to be a better person, and I'm grateful for that. So they are very they they really admire your energy. Look, we have chiseled jaw line. So this could be another clue to help you to know who this person is. Whether there could have been moments where you've like looked at this person's kind of like facial features, and I feel like this person could have very like significant or prominent features. Okay, facial features. I'm getting the messages like it's hard to ignore, but it's also like because it's because it's so attractive, it's hard to ignore. Oh, we look at this. We have distinctive tattoos. So some of you, this person can have something like a very distinctive tattoos. Piercing gaze. I feel like this is also part of their attractiveness. Okay, and it could be also something that they see in you that they admire, or they find very attractive. We've got light colored eyes. So this could be another clue. Light colored eyes. Okay. We have here, I find solace in your arms. They feel like home. So again, it's this energy of like this nurturing energy that you carry that they really admire. You have a way of making even the simplest moments feel magical. Look at this. This person could also be an avid sports fan, or they could have had conversations about sports that they enjoy. Okay. What else do they want to let you know? Any messages from their higher self? Ooh, we. So we have cooking and culinary. Okay. So this person could be a foodie. Okay, this could be something that they enjoy doing. They could have had conversations about food or wanting to like cook food for you, cook a particular meal. Okay, try new things, being outgoing, wanting to take you out. We have I love everything about you. So that again, this is energy of like really, really admiring, and I feel like it's the message I'm getting is from head to toe. It's like they enjoy your conversations, your mind, the way you think, the way you look. It's like this person's in awe. And we have, look, the divine masculine, their higher self is coming through to you. I want this love to work just like you do. So I feel like this person could be very invested, okay, very keen to want to grow, wanting to build, wanting to develop with you. And I feel like this person is also like, this person could have also been looking, taking the time to see how they can expand and fit around you, okay? Ooh la la. Okay, let's see what else they want to let you know. We have, I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. Now, I feel like this could be an ex that's really coming through as well. And then maybe, maybe some time has passed and they're realizing your energy towards them. And it could also be someone who, for some of you, this person who enjoys your presence but doesn't want to rush anything, doesn't want to push anything. I feel like they just want to they're enjoying so much, and perhaps it could be someone who hasn't fully expressed how they truly feel, okay, and may have some kind of apprehensions about coming forward. Let's see what else they want to say. We have, your happiness is my top priority. I want to see you thrive. So again, I feel like this person, I'm getting the energy of opening up themselves to fit you in their lives, making time, prioritizing, because they want you in their life, so they want to prioritize you. And that's a good start. As they say, you make time for the things that you know that you are interested in, that you want, as well as what also is kind of like energetically, it makes you feel good. Sometimes it's like you can be on a call or speak to someone and you just feel good. And I feel like this is what this person feels when they think of you. We've got avid traveler. So this could be somebody who has talked about traveling. It could be something that they want to do with you. It could be something that they want to explore with you. Again, I'm still getting the energy of the free, wanting to try new things, explore new things with you. Okay? Let's see what else they want to let you know. What does he think of me? Ooh, we have quite a few that fell on my lap. Look at this. They're attracted to your scent. Attracted to your scent. There's an energy of being very attracted to your scent. Okay, I'm getting the message of like floral. There could be some floral undertones in your scent, okay, that they're drawn to. I'm amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. So again, someone who's really impressed by you and your overall being. Okay, we have brown eyes. So some of you could have brown eyes. Okay, brown eyes. We have science and technology geek. Or they could have brown eyes, by the way, but they could also be a science or technology geek. This could be you or the person. Or they could have a love for like gadgets. Okay, I feel like it could also be that they're very good. Like they could be a go-to person if you need any help with anything like that. We have your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. So they have this energy of you and really appreciating you and what you have to offer. We have here, I can't help but feel a deep connection when you are in my presence. So I can't help but feel a deep connection when you are in my presence. Oi, 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 oi. We have here confident stride, confident stride. So they have a confident stride, infectious laughter, energy of infectious laughter. This is something that they're drawn, something they're attracted to when they think about you. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? So we have full lips. So this could be something they're really drawn, really attracted to you. Strong and capable hands. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. They're trying to let you know. They're trying to let you know. Yeah. Take it as you will. We got fashion forward and trendy. Fashion forward and trendy. And I feel like this could be you and they're drawn to that energy. They could be also very like fashion forward as well. Now the intuitive fingers trying to pull. Let's have a look. They could be a thrill seeker. Okay. Now I feel like the thrill seeking is you. That like they're seeking you. They're drawn to you. Okay. And I feel like they like to have fun. And I feel like they can also feel like they can have lots of fun moments with you as well. Okay, let's see what else wants to come through. Okay, we have here. Your intelligence and wit impress me more than you know. Now, see, we said this person has this energy of being impressed with you, like from head to toe. We have your touch ignites a fire within me that I can't ignore. Now, this is giving me the message to go back and have a look at the late night thoughts. The late night, ooh, the late night thoughts. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through, or just their hidden feelings, anything that they have on their mind when they think of you. We have the last time I saw them, their tousled hair and radiant smile took my breath away. Now I just saw 222 on just right now while filming. So this could be an energy of a soulmate. This could be an energy of someone who feels that they are very aligned with you. And I feel like they want to get to know you more. Okay, let's see. Ooh, wait, look at this. Lots of energy here. I find my I find myself daydreaming about the way their fingers delicately trace the patterns on my back. Look at this. Their vulnerability in our intimate moments makes me fall in love with them even more. So this is their energy. This is their energy. Let's see what else they want you to know. Let's see what else they want you to know. What else do you want them to know? Their scent. Didn't we just see a luring scent? We just saw a luring scent. A luring scent. It was there somewhere. Yeah. Yes, I'm sure. If you can put it in the comments down below, But we did see a layering scent. We definitely saw a layering scent. But we have here, look at this. Their scent lingers in my senses, reminding me of the intoxicating pull of their presence. So they're drawn to that scent. I'm still getting those floral undertones, okay? And I feel like they're so drawn to it. And I feel like it's also, I'm getting it's your feminine power and energy that they're very attracted to as well. And keep doing what you're doing, girl. Keep doing what you're doing, girl. Cause, ooh, wee. I'm getting the message. You've got that Midas touch. Everything you touch turns to gold. Yeah, sugar. Okay, you got that Midas touch. Ooh, wee. They have a way of making me feel desired and cherished in the most intimate moments. Ooh, wee. Their body language speaks volumes. And I feel like this is the message here. Their body language speaks volumes, revealing unspoken desires in every moment. So we're going to have a look at the Ooh La La cards. Let's have a look and see what message wants to come through from the Ooh La La cards. Just going to have a look. More? Let's have a look and see. This person on your mind, okay, what does he think of me? Let's see what they think of you. Let's see. What does he think of me? For the collective, what are they thinking with these ooh la la cards? Because we see a lot of energy about sense, their presence, intimate moments. Ooh, ooh la la. Look at this. Squeeze me. There's a song that's coming to mind. Touch me, tease me, hold me tight and don't let go. Baby, I'm about to explode. Look, look at that. It came out twice for the collective. It came out twice. So this could be, you both could be feeling this way. They could be and feeling this way for you as well. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. So we're gonna pull out a romantic angel oracle deck. Let's have a look and see what wants to come out. Okay. Look at that. So what does he think of me? For the collective, the person on their mind, show them what they need to see. Show them what they need to see. Show them what they need to see. Ooh, we got quite a few. We got quite a few. Let's have a look. Ooh, express your love. You better express your love. Ooh, express your love. Look at that energy looking into the eyes. Look at that. Look what's going on. Look at that intimate moment. Look at that intimate moment. Look at that intimate moment. Look at that energy going on. Look at that feeling going on. Look at that intimate moment. Okay. Look at all of that energy. Look at that intimate. Look at this. Moments to smell that alluring scent. Moments to embrace that energy. Finding solace in your arms. Look at this. Go ahead and make those romantic gestures. Ooh la la. Okay. Whoa, and I'm just trying to think, did we even do a Jamaican proverb? Did we do one? No, no. So we'll pull out a Jamaican proverb as well. Okay, just got the message to say, go and have you done a proverb yet? Now we have codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Now, I feel like the message that I'm getting regarding this, it could be more. It's because I feel like this person could have these hidden feelings because we are looking into those hidden feelings, and I feel like they could be very attracted to you, and it's also this energy of like, do I tell? Do I say? How much do I keep to myself? Okay. Then we have the flirts being here. So extend your light-hearted energy. And I feel like this is also like, I feel like this person is like wants to have more of those moments with you where you're flirting, engaging one another's company. We have children. So children, it says children could be affected. Sure, your love life is being affected by children. So perhaps there could be some children involved, and this could be causing some apprehension, okay, about how wanting to move into something seriously. If you have like if you come with children, it can also be like it's awakening your inner child as well. Okay, and we have here unrequited love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. But I feel like this could be the again this energy of doubts because we've got the codependency and the unrequited love. So I feel like for some of you this could be like perhaps this person is feeling like, oh, do they like me? Do they not like? Okay, so let's clarify that with the simply tarot. Let's simply deep tarot. Let's give it a clarify. Okay, let's shuffle that deck. Let's see. Why is codependency and unrequited love here? Why is codependency and unrequited love here? Okay, so we've got the Queen of Swords and we have the Star in reverse. Now I feel like my finger wants to pull on something here, the Magician, and I feel like this could be I feel like it could be again, the message I'm getting is just my imagination by the temptations running away with me. So perhaps this person could be in their head a lot and they could be like doubting that there could be any opportunity that could come forward. But I feel like with the magician being here, it's about, well, they just have to get clear. Okay, now this is being filmed during the energy of the Lion's Gate, the Lion's Portal. And this is all about the energy of the 8-8, that every year, okay, every year, every day, the eighth day, although this energy is present before the 8th of August, but the idea is that every 8th of August, it's this powerful, strong manifesting energy that you can use to manifest whatever you want. And I feel like this is a good time for this person on your mind to manifest and to get clear with what it is that they want, okay? And to not be so caught up in this kind of like, I wonder if she's gonna be because I feel like this could be what the energy is like. Oh, maybe she might not feel the same way. She might treat me like might be quite harsh. Maybe if I come and say, oh look, I want to come back, or I want to, especially if this is an ex, I want to return. Is there any opportunities for us to work on this? Okay, especially because I'm getting drawn to the message of the one in numerology, the 1 plus 7. Okay, so we add that together, that makes 8. That represents the energy of taking action. Okay, so I feel like this person could be thinking, maybe could there be any action here between us, or is this all just how I feel, but maybe I'm not too sure if I can express this. Okay, all right, now let's see what overall, what for the collective, what does he think of me? Let's see what message wants to come through. So this is the energy, look, the 6 of Cups. So there could be a reconciliation energy. This could also be the energy that when they think of you, when they see you, it's like you bring out that inner child energy. You bring out that connection. It's almost like I feel like it's almost they also get this feeling like they've known you before. They've known you before, and I feel like it could be also like they may have even had conversations It's like, oh, when I'm with you, it just feels like I've known you for like a lifetime. Okay. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. So, last but not least, okay, I love to end with one of my favorite decks, which is the Traveling Intuitive deck, because it's such a wonderful way to end the read and give like another ounce of clarity. Okay, so for the collective, okay, the person on their mind, what does he think of me? Okay, what lasting message you want to leave the collective regarding what does he think of me? Look at this. That's okay. Look at this message. So the message that I'm getting here is like there could be there's a song that's coming into there's a song coming to mind as well. Oh, the artist was just in my head. It's gone now, but it's nine. There are nine. There are 9 million bicocils in Beijing. 9 bicocils in Beijing. That's a fact. But it's something to do with, it's also a fact that I love you. But I feel like this is also the message that I'm getting, that even though it could be in a busy crowd, could be almost so much going on, but they still see you. They still see you. They see you. And I feel like this also, like, as much as they can be busy and hectic, this person wants to put the time, put the work, put the effort to prioritize you. Okay? This is the message that I'm getting. But they see you. You could be in a crowd of, or it could be in a crowded place. All they see is you. What a wonderful way to end this read. All they see is you. Okay? So, to the collective, okay? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay? But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed. Like and subscribe. Okay? Give us a thumbs up. It really helps us to grow this channel, and so that we can connect with like-minded people, tea sippers like you. So I'll see you on the next one, and gwan.